How to delete multiple apps on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial video, I will show you exactly how can you delete multiple apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to just unlock or open your iPhone home screen. From the home screen, you will be able to see your every app that are located. Now from your simply tap and hold on your home screen. After you tap on that, you'll find this kind of interface. From here, if you want to delete multiple apps, simply you'll have to tap on small minus icon just at the top left corner of that app. Simply you'll have to tap on that. Alright, from here tap on delete app. As usual, confirm it. And from this process, you can multiple repeat this process on many application. Confirm it. And that is the process you can repeat to delete multiple apps on your iPhone. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.